Can I be honest with you about something? That dull, flat, lifeless skin you've been staring at in the mirror. The kind that makes you look tired even when you're not. That no amount of highlighter seems to fix. That just never seems to glow no matter what you try. It's not your genetics. It's not bad luck. And it is absolutely not something you need an expensive new serum to fix. It's your habits. Specific, fixable, everyday habits that are quietly stealing your glow without you even realizing it. And today I'm going to name every single one of them and then tell you exactly how to fix them. Let's go. Habit 1. You're not cleansing your skin properly, and it's suffocating your glow. This is the one that most people get wrong, and it is the most foundational mistake you can make when it comes to your skin. Here's what's happening. Every single day, your skin accumulates a layer of dead skin cells, excess sebum, pollution, sunscreen residue, makeup, and environmental debris. When you don't cleanse properly, when you use a wipe and call it a night, when you do a quick 10-second splash and move on, all of that buildup stays on your skin. It sits there. It clogs your pores. It creates a literal physical barrier between your skin and the light. And dull skin is almost always skin that hasn't been properly cleansed. The glow is there. It's just buried under layers of buildup that you haven't removed. The fix is simple, but it requires intention. Use a proper cleanser, not a wipe, not just water, morning and night. Take at least 60 seconds to actually work it into your skin. Use lukewarm water, not hot, because hot water strips your moisture barrier and leaves your skin reactive and dull. Pat dry with a clean towel. Every single day without exception. And once a week, double cleanse at night. An oil-based cleanser first to dissolve sunscreen, makeup and sebum, followed by your regular water-based cleanser to clean the skin itself. Double cleansing is the single most transformative cleansing habit you can build, and your skin will look noticeably different within 2 weeks of doing it consistently. Clean skin is the foundation of glowing skin. You cannot build a glow on a dirty canvas. Habit 2. You're skipping exfoliation, and your dead skin is blocking your glow. Your skin naturally sheds dead skin cells every 28 days or so. But as we get older, and even just as life gets busy, that natural turnover process slows down, and those dead skin cells start to accumulate on the surface of your face rather than shedding naturally. The result? Dull, rough, uneven skin that looks flat in the light, has a slightly gray or ashy undertone, and never quite reflects the glow you know is underneath. Exfoliation manually removes that layer of buildup and reveals the fresh, bright, healthy skin underneath. And the difference, the first time you exfoliate after not doing it for a while, is genuinely shocking. Your skin will feel softer, look brighter, and reflect light completely differently within 24 hours of a good exfoliation session. Chemical exfoliants are your best friend here. AHAs, like glycolic acid and lactic acid, dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells and sweep them away gently without the physical scrubbing that can cause irritation and micro-tears. BHAs, like salicylic acid, go deeper into the pores and are particularly good for oily or acne-prone skin. 2 to 3 times a week is the sweet spot for most skin types. More than that, and you'll over-exfoliate, which causes irritation, redness, and, ironically, more dullness. Less than that, and the buildup returns. Exfoliate consistently, and your skin will glow in a way that no highlighter can replicate. Because it's not added shine. It's your actual skin finally able to breathe and reflect the way it was designed to. Habit 3. You're chronically dehydrated, and your skin is showing it. Water. I know, but I need you to hear this one differently than you've heard it before, because most of us intellectually know we should drink more water and are still not doing it. And our skin is paying the price. Dehydrated skin is fundamentally different from dry skin, and it's important to understand why. Dry skin is a skin type. It lacks oil. Dehydrated skin is a condition. It lacks water. And almost any skin type can be dehydrated, oily skin included. In fact, some of the dullest, most congested skin out there belongs to people who think they can't be dehydrated because their skin is oily. When your skin is dehydrated, it loses its plumpness and translucency. It looks flat instead of bouncy. Fine lines look more pronounced. Your complexion looks tired and gray rather than bright and alive. And no topical product, no matter how expensive, can fully compensate for a body that isn't hydrated from within. The fix has two parts. Internal. Drink your water. Consistently. Every day. Half your body weight in ounces as a baseline, and more on days when you're sweating, drinking caffeine, or in a hot environment. Start your morning with water before anything else. It takes 30 seconds, and it changes everything. External. Add a hydrating toner or essence to your skincare routine. Something with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or niacinamide that draws moisture into the skin and locks it there. Apply it to damp skin right after cleansing for maximum absorption. Your skin will look more plump, more awake, and more radiant within days of doing this consistently. Hydrated skin glows. Dehydrated skin doesn't. It's really that simple. Habit 4. You're not protecting your skin from the sun, and it's aging and dulling your complexion faster than anything else. I saved this one for number 4 because I know it's the one most of you are going to skip in your head, and I needed you to read this far before I said it. Because this is not optional information. This is arguably the most important habit on this list. UV radiation is the #1 cause of dull, uneven, prematurely aged skin. It breaks down collagen. It causes hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It thickens the outer layer of your skin over time, making it look rough and dull. It destroys the translucency that makes skin look glowing and alive. And it does all of this gradually, cumulatively, and invisibly, which is why most people don't connect their dull, uneven skin to their lack of SPF until the damage is already done. SPF is not just for beach days. It is not just for summer. UV radiation reaches your skin through windows, on cloudy days and in winter. It is present every single day that the sun rises and your skin is exposed to daylight. Which means SPF every morning is non-negotiable for anyone who wants glowing skin now and in 5 years. Find an SPF 30 or higher that you actually like using. One that doesn't leave a white cast, doesn't feel greasy, doesn't break you out. There are so many good options at every price point now that there is genuinely no excuse. Apply it as the last step of your morning skincare routine every day without exception. Your skin 10 years from now is being written right now, and SPF is the most powerful sentence in that story. Habit 5. You're not sleeping enough, and your skin is in repair mode that never gets to finish. Your skin does the majority of its repair and regeneration while you sleep. Collagen synthesis, cell turnover, inflammation reduction, moisture recovery. All of these processes happen primarily at night while your body is at rest, which means every hour of sleep you skip is an hour of skin repair that doesn't happen. And it shows. Sleep-deprived skin is dull, puffy, uneven, and lacks that well-rested luminosity that makes someone look genuinely healthy and glowing. You've seen it on yourself. You've seen it on other people. You know what it looks like. And no amount of skincare product applied in the morning fully compensates for the repair work that didn't happen overnight. The fix is not complicated, but it requires priority. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Not 6, not 5.5, 7 to 8. Consistent sleep and wake times. Your skin responds to your circadian rhythm, and having a regular schedule optimizes the repair process. Put your phone down before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin and disrupts sleep quality, even when it doesn't prevent you from falling asleep. A silk or satin pillowcase reduces friction and moisture loss while you sleep. Your skin stays more hydrated and wakes up looking smoother and more rested. And your nighttime skincare routine matters enormously because you're applying products to skin that is about to spend 8 hours in active repair mode. Cleanse properly. Apply your most nourishing products: a good moisturizer, a retinol if you use one, a facial oil if your skin loves it. Let your skin work overnight. Let it finish what it starts. Wake up and see the difference. Here's what I need you to take with you today. Dull skin is not a life sentence. It is not your genetics expressing themselves permanently. It is not something you need to cover up with highlighter and hope for the best. It is the result of specific habits, and specific habits can be changed. Cleanse properly every single day. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Drink your water consistently. Wear your SPF every morning without exception. Get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and let your skin do what it was designed to do overnight. These 5 habit fixes cost you almost nothing. They require no new products. They just require consistency. The kind of quiet, unsexy, daily consistency that compounds over time into skin that genuinely glows from within. That glow is yours. It always was. You just needed to stop doing the things that were blocking it. Now go get it back. If your skin has been trying to tell you something, and this video finally translated, share it with a girlfriend whose skin needs to hear it too, and subscribe because we are out here glowing from the inside out every single week. I will see you in the next one.